guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a diddling machine in the sheep. So, let me just get to buy a house in my white big house. Just speed up. What?
Nawalang gear. Nawala. Sige, try. Pero dapat may suot kayo na slippers kasi masakit yung pampadol. Limit no slippers.
Okay, here it is. So let me just open it. Okay, let me show you how to build it.
Only for 5
Get out! Okay, so first you need this and put a redstone torch, and over here down, and here, and put over here, and click and get it here and click it one delay, and now you need to put some slabs. Where's the slabs? There. Where's the freaking slabs? I will use this. And now let me put like the boat. But first I need to like go over here, board.
Then nga ikaw, alam ko.
Okay. Okay, now I just need to put a sheep.
Kasi galing yan doon sa toy namin dito.
Bro, why is not working? Guys, you know what to do now? If you don't know, let me just show you. But I need to get this out.
By the way, in it. It is like, she made, I actually made a new, I made a new, si Aiza tried me. Kami full set before yan. Full set?
Full set.
Di ba napakita ko na sa'yo, Aiza? Yeah, I came back in Jollibee. We were the first ones. Kami ni Tita Jenny at Nana. Bakit umutot? Hindi yun lang yung sound. Hindi yun umutot. Sound lang yung mag-break.
Totoo, ito yung full set. Asan na ba? Pwede din doon mag-make ng bird.
Oh! No! Let me try.
Yeah, it's got it. So here it is.
Tingnan mo.
So,
Tingnan mo sa loob.
Parang itong isang para kami ng kuya ko para sa baseball namin.
So hopefully it works because mine doesn't work. So, bye-bye.